Hello, I'm Leo Amadeus, and this is part 2 for my vocal tips and tricks for the Encore School of Music. I work here now, if you hadn't noticed. Or if you had noticed, I still work here. That doesn't change that fact. In part 1, we looked at engaging your core and kind of the foundational vocal technique. And now we are going to look at using your voice in different ways / styles. Now, very important, we have mastered that first technique of engaging our core. Whenever we're singing, we have to do the first half of that cough and then release the vocal cords, and then you keep that core engagement when you're singing. Always have to do that. Now, how do we apply different vocal techniques to different vocal styles? It's all to do with the shape of your mouth and sometimes how you use your throat. If we're doing classical music, for example, we're going to do, I'm going to demonstrate with a phrase from the Pirates of Penzance, just a short phrase. Oh, is there not one maiden here? If we want to sing that in a more classical tone, there's a couple ways to find a classical tone, but one of the easy ways is to do a yawn, and keep that space at the back of your mouth, and just have that when you're singing all the time. And then you apply that, oh, is there not one maiden here? And I'm keeping that space, and it's completely changing the vowel sounds that I have and the tone. I'm not too good at rock and roll, but I can, oh, is there not one maiden here? And to do that, I'm kind of going very nasal and then kind of, I don't know how to describe it, kind of pressing a little bit, and that's one way you can get a rock and roll tone. Or if you want to get a very breathy tone, what you can do, you can sigh, and then, oh, sigh into the note, oh, and then sing that energy. Oh, is there not one maiden here? And that's kind of more soft contemporary tone that singer-songwriters tend to use. Or if you want to do musical theatre, if you want to do a more musical theatre type tone, you can keep that kind of nasally sound and have it very nasal but very open. Oh, is there not one maiden here? It's the same words, the same vowels, and I've sung it for you in 4 different ways. I wasn't counting. Yeah, different vocal techniques or different vocal styles all come from the same foundational technique of engaging your core, and then just changing things up a little bit in your face, in your mouth and your throat and your vocal cords. Very important safety notice. If you are trying something and it hurts, stop doing it. You cannot emphasize that enough. If it hurts, don't do it. But we will learn more about health and safety when singing in part 3 of this series. All right, I'm gonna drink your tea, and I'll see you in part 3. Oh, that rhymes. My goodness, I'm a poet. Didn't even realize I could do that.